Part 2. Folks, if this asteroid was heading this way, we would know that too. The government has implemented certain satellites in the event that there's an oversized asteroid, meteor, or something that's going to have direct impact with this planet. They have deterrent in certain places, a defense system in certain places that will be able to either destroy the rock, deflect the rock. Like, there are precautions in place already for that. Look it up. They just did a testing like maybe a month or two ago on some kind of laser beam, proton beam, whatever it was, that decimated these big giant boulders to dust. They just did a testing on that. I'm not disclaiming or debuting this Nibiru theory. There probably is another brown dwarf star out there. And it's light years away. If it's behind Pluto, it's light years away. Folks, you gotta let some of this go. Stay off that YouTube thing with this Planet Nibiru, Planet X or whatever. Stay off of that. Get your life back in order. Enjoy. Because at the end of the day, if this is going to happen, ain't nowhere, no place any of us could hide. Even underground. If it's going to do this collision, there's nothing we can do. You know, and I'm not here trying to put fear in anybody, but again, there's nothing we can do. So go on with your life. This gentleman that put that video up about that asteroid, we got 7 months to prepare. Go get all of the food and water that you can get. If you're saying that this asteroid is 20 times the size bigger, where the heck we going? Where the heck we going? Folks, don't believe everything that you hear. Again, I stated, you can get a 10-inch telescope and find Pluto. But something this massive you can't see, it's because it's not here. Fear for profit, folks. Fear for profit. These guys are raking in this money. Yeah, I said it. They're raking in this money. Anytime you can go on a site, one of these videos, and a person says, this is what's going to happen with Planet X, Nibiru, but you can get all of this information if you subscribe and get my book. What? I've heard it. I've seen it. People are trying to sell books. Now, what the heck? If you're in your right mind and you're talking about the end of the world, I'm going to sit there and subscribe for your book? Folks, pay attention to that. If they're not trying to sell you a book, they're trying to get you on their website, a link, a video. Pay attention, folks. Fear for profit. Profit off of our fears. You're not selling a book when you're talking about the end of the world or be here in a month. Come on, folks. Think. I'm just saying, let's talk about something else positive that we can do as a race of human beings. Like, there are far other things that we need to correct in our lives. This stuff that is going on right now is ridiculous. Get your life back. What we should be worrying about is if there's going to be a World War III with China. That's what the heck we need to be worrying about. Prepare for that. if anything, and that's real. Do the research on that. In the South China Sea, what's going on with USA and China. Do the research on that. Find out how real that is. That's real. You can see the proof for that. That's real. Get the information on that. Not something that you can't see. We have a lot of work to do as human beings. We only have one planet. The racism is crazy. We have one planet. So folks, with that, I just want to say again, don't believe everything that you hear. Get your lives back on track. Whatever is going to be is going to be. If it's the will of our higher power, whomever you choose to call your God, if it's going to happen, it's going to happen, and there's nothing we can do about it. You know? But live your life. Like I said, you got families, enjoy your families. You retired, enjoy your retirement. You got to go to work, go to work. Stop looking up in the sky for something. Stop trying to find it, because it's not there. If it was there and it was that massive, we would have seen it already. And we will be feeling it right now. Folks, it's beautiful outside. It's 90 plus degrees outside. You see? It's a beautiful day. I'm hot and I'm sweating. Get your lives back, folks. Get your lives back. Don't give in to this. Get credible information. Get real proof. And get names of these people that put this up on these sites. Get names. Hold them accountable for striking fear in thousands and thousands of people, millions of people. Hold them accountable. The dates are changing all the time. But remember Neil deGrasse Tyson, a well-known astronomer. He knows the universe. Find his link. Shoot him emails. There are others out there that are more knowledgeable about our universe than these crackpots, these amateur astronomers out here trying to act like they know what they're talking about. Get somebody that's world known, that specializes in the universe, that knows this stuff, and move on with your life. Okay, folks? I got work to do. Enjoy. God bless everybody. And if I offended some of you, oh well. I still sleep at night, and I'm sure you will too. And next time we talk, maybe we could have another something intelligent to talk about. Because this is nonsense. But again, I'm not saying it's not true. I'm just saying it's nonsense, folks. Show me the proof. With that, everybody have a nice day. Talk to you soon.